comes down to pipelines, Jim. Whoa! Oh, shit.
Kasi ang mahal-mahal. Fuck!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Shit!
Wow. My God.
Wow. Go, baby. Baby love. Yeah, it, 911. Yeah, you caught it, right?
Yeah, caught it. Yeah, wow.
Should I call?
Just a second here.
No?
Let me just go a little bit farther first.
Yeah. Go on with me.
Obvious that the various car manufacturers are holding their cards and their cars very close to their vests. They understandably consider their future auto driving technology to be ultra proprietary, and because they want the best, and no one else's business. Yet flesh and blood human beings and pets are moving within the same space as these autonomous, high-speed rolling robots. It's a recipe for disaster, and this has the feeling of being
Oh, shit. Whoa! Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? Are you okay?
Call 911. To cancel the call, please choose cancel from the screen
Holy
or press
shit.
the hang up button.
You okay? Pete, are you okay?
Okay.
I don't know where I can get out of it. 911 operator, before opening the line, please wait.
If and when they take it out, they'll do a, like, biopsy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost just got rear-ended.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Watch out for him. Stop. Completely stop.
Oh, he just missed there.
Just missed him and him. He wasn't paying it.
Who wants to leave?
Is anyone?
Come on, you stupid fuck.
Watching cameras in the spot with a dirty gun. I see my future, but I prayed for a better one. The coppers came and got me, but they stopped me, boy, you better run. I hung out late cause my mom was about to beat my...
You have to be shitting me. Wow, that happened.
It's okay. Guy behind me. Semi though, behind me. Semi's going crazy.
Okay.
Semi's crazy.
Just-
Semi! That semi just went out here. Okay. We need to back up.
Be careful though. Don't go too far back into there because there's
I
more
know. See
coming.
what you can see.
I can't see anything.
Okay.
But just stay until these people start stopping. I don't want to be over here.
Okay.
Honestly.
Semi. Another semi.
Oh my God!
The fuck is wrong with you?
Please say it.
Are you okay, ma'am? Are you okay?
Bye. Dude. Let's go.
It's all probably going to be great. You know, even Bernie Sanders is in favor of a closed border. He's in favor of a closed border because maybe...
Yeah, observe traffic. Yeah, observe traffic. Observe traffic rules.
Offensive line, you got an issue with your run game, you got an issue with your defensive front seven. Like there are a lot of problems that they got to fix, and not enough cash and draft picks to go around. And oh, by the way, one of the other things that you have to consider
Video locked.
is your quarterback, Dak Prescott, having an
Well...
What's your fucking problem? God. Shit, dude. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Okay. God.
Holy shit.
Start emergency deal.
That's exactly why I didn't fucking do that. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Coming out of the car wash. What happened?
It's obvious that the various car manufacturers are holding their cards and their cars very close to their vests. They understandably consider their future auto driving technology to be ultra proprietary, and because they want the best, and no one else's business. Yet flesh and blood human beings and pets are moving within the same space as these autonomous, high-speed rolling robots. It's a recipe for disaster, and this has the feeling of being driven by the same sort of gold rush mentality as the push for general
I forgot what I was, she's, does something with, what are you doing, you stupid, you were
Manual recording will now start.
What are you guys doing?